Hey guys, this is on, and like I said in my last video, first Samsung, then Realme, and now Redmi. I mean, Redmi and Realme are same company, but Realme is just a sub brand of Redmi. But yeah, Redmi now, sending MIUI 11 update with their Redmi's Note 6 Pro, and it's also available 2019 security patch as well. So yeah, let's just talk about it. So Xiaomi's released the MIUI 11 global version stable update for Redmi Note 6 Pro last month in November. However, due to some reports of several bugs and rollout issue, the MIUI update for the device has pulled back now, and the Xiaomi has again pushed the latest MIUI 11 update for the Redmi Note 6 Pro as a smartphone, which brings a newer optimized optimized UI design as well as few nifty features as well. And the size of size of the MIUI 11 update is 669 MB, and the users has recommended to download it over Wi-Fi. But the latest MIUI update for the Redmi 6 Pro brings the Android 6 security patch for December as well. However, it's still based on Android 9 Pie, and the carrier build is also really long, which I don't want to say, if I'm being honest. Since the update is rolling out, view OTA in patches, it will hit all the Xiaomi's Redmi 6 Pro units gradually. Besides, users can also, check for the MIUI 11 update in their phone settings section as well. You just need to go to About section, about phone, then system update, then update is expected to hit a broader number of devices soon. Then yeah, that was that. And there are new bunch of things which you can expect it to see. And the new things are optional app drawer, voice over Wi-Fi, new app icons, new animations, and more. With the new MIUI 11 update, the device will also get the dark mode support as well, and a floating calculator. I don't think floating calculator is a big deal, if I'm being honest. Dynamic sound option is also there, and an updated Mi file manager as well. Xiaomi is also bringing Android 10 smartphone reply to message features with MIUI 11 update as well. But there's also enhancement to task feature, whereas user can now easily manage to edit their task in Notes app as well. To recall, the Note 6 Pro in India in 2018 handset made it debut with MIUI 10 on top of Android 8 Oreo. The company later updated it to Android 9 Pie OS. It remains to be seen if the phone will go bump to the latest Android 10 version in future with MIUI 11 update or not. So yeah, that's what that guys. Let me know what do you think about it, and yeah, I will see you in my next one. Peace.